Lots of evidence here of other people exploring, and usually if people take the time to explore, there's a reason why. So we're gonna stop here for a few minutes. Hold it in your hand, let me see it. That is an upper tooth of a goblin shark. It's a little bit shorter tooth. It's not long and skinny. Very good, nice. It is a beautiful example. Yeah, I'll turn it back over again. Beautiful example of a lower goblin shark tooth. Wow, that's awesome. That is a creepy. Yeah, now put it in the water for me. I just want to, just real easy. Yeah. It looks like an underwater spider, man. That is too creepy. Start walking. Grayson, I love that one because you can see the lateral denticles on the tooth real nice. The main cusp is broken, but gorgeous otherwise. Cool. Here we go. This is some kind of a little coral. I've never found this at Frankstown. It is cool. Right in this area, under the parking area, I seem to find more of these upper teeth. These are the goblin shark upper teeth right here. Another nice upper goblin shark tooth, most likely, and a nice oyster shell. Very good. Cool. Nice haul.